कुदरत की मिठास से उपजी गन्ने की फसलें लहराई, सधे किसानों के हाथों की मेहनत हरियाली ले आई।
In 81, my mother, Madam Ji, whom everybody fondly calls her, is when she picked up the gauntlet.
So she left me as a child of 14. I was like distraught. But when I saw her dedication, I was completely in awe. So there's this one incident I'll never forget. I had gone to Balrampur, probably in my winter holidays, and there was a breakdown in the factory. So a gearbox had broken down, and to change a gearbox, a secondary gearbox in the milling tandem in the season, is a Herculean off-season job. Shortest period would be 15 to 20 days. So in 4 days, she sat down on the shop floor, and all the general managers, engineers, the engineer of the manufacturer, everybody was sitting for 4 days, and we did it. And after that, the factory ran at a higher capacity and a better manner than it did before the breakdown.
सपनों की ये फसल काट कर खेतों से फैक्ट्री तक आई, भारत का मुंह मीठा कर इस सफर ने अपनी मंजिल पाई।
Madam Ji, we always used to look at her with a lot of respect, She was very, very, very keen on, I would say, one aspect of the business, that is her association with farmers,
The first name what you will hear is, oh, Madam Ji की factory वाले हैं आप. So that's the kind of legacy which we have inherited from her.
हम लोग वहाँ से गन्ना लेके चलते हैं और यहाँ से 2 घंटे में गन्ना अपना बेच के वापस चले जाते हैं घर।
मैं जब पहली बार यहाँ गन्ना लेके आता हूँ, पहला चक्कर हर साल का, तो मैं गेट का पैर छूता हूँ, ये आप विश्वास रखो।
तो जो भी सफेदे हैं, जो भी कपड़े हैं, केवल गन्ने की देन है।
खुशी, प्यार, मेहनत, कुर्बानी, हर चेहरे पर लिखी कहानी। भरा खजाना है अतीत का, कल की है उम्मीद सुहानी।
वो इतनी कर्मठ महिला थी, इतनी ईमानदारी से बात करती थी, बिल्कुल खुद के बिल्कुल परिवार जैसा।
She always wanted that farmer's payment to be paid on time, come what may.
I've heard it my whole life since I am born कि जब तक किसान का पेमेंट नहीं जाएगा तब तक खाना नहीं खाएंगे।
So it's been one by one, gradual. So we've grown in our own small but safe manner. So that's been our USP.
मिली हर कदम नई चुनौती, मगर कारवां बढ़ता आया, सबको एक परिवार समझकर मंत्र सुरक्षा का अपनाया।
BCML has always been thinking for the future. First we took care of the environment aspect, and now we are working towards safety.
Anything done with single-mindedness and not taking no for an answer will be achieved. So that's the funda we are working with on safety.
Sugar industry is a lot about uncertainties. Balrampur has always been eager to look for opportunities in uncertainties. And this is how we have grown over a period of time.
We always believe that sugar being a commodity, you can never expect a super normal profit out of sugar. But if you balance your portfolio in a way that your byproduct adds value to your bottom line as well as the bottom.
We have 5 distilleries, we have power plants, so the byproducts also, they generate lot of revenue for us.
But we take pride in saying that we research well, we work hard, and we undertake our work with a lot of diligence, hard work, and honesty of purpose.
मैडम जी की राह पे चलकर आधी सदी है कर ली पूरी, नया हौसला, नई मंजिलें, हैं खुशियां भी बहुत जरूरी।
My grandmom has put CSR into our company before it was even a thing.
We also ensure that there are enough playgrounds for children to play, a school bus facility for the kids, Wi-Fi facilities for the kids, tuition for them.
We have been helping the families who live in and around us, the farmers, with education, with healthcare, with good drinking water.
We have to believe in things like sustainability, safety, human life. Our people need to be happy. They need to go home safe and sound. They should be happy. Their families should be happy.
खुशी खुशी बीते जाई जिंदगानिया, खेतवा में करब हम किसनिया।
आने वाले कल में अपनी चाहत आगे बढ़ने की है, आसमान को छूकर हर दिन नई कहानी गढ़ने की है।
We have recently announced a 2,000 crore project which is called polylactic acid. It's a bio-based plastic and it is a compostable plastic as well.
What can be better than making the planet livable for the future? This is giving to the future generation to ensure our children can have a worthwhile planet to live in.
मेहनत, प्यार, भरोसा इसमें, ये सपनों से भरी कहानी, मिट्टी की मिठास से महकी, है उम्मीद की नई कहानी.
I think our community can be sure that if there's something which is coming, Balrampur will be at the helm of it and it will deliver all the benefits through the value chain down to the last farmer.
Stay with us, and we have all grown together, and we shall further grow.
बलरामपुर चीनी मिल्स लिमिटेड, उम्मीद की नई कहानी.
खेतवा में करब हम किसनिया.